Good morning, Saugus. I'm Nathan Miller, and today is Tuesday, October 22nd.
And I'm Owen Derry, and this is SNN.
For today's fact of the day, we thought we'd let you know why we use A1 to mean the very best.
When the marine insurance firms of London started the association later became known as Lloyd's, they also started a register of ships and shipping in which the conditions of their ships and cargo was noted.
The ships were graded by letter, and the cargo by number. A meant the ship itself was perfect, and 1 meant that the cargo was likewise perfect.
That is why anything that's perfect or very good is considered A1, except the steak sauce. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
See your counselor if you're interested in taking COC classes here on campus next semester.
The counselors and Ms. Dahlquist are hosting a career informational meeting this Thursday at 7 p.m. in the NPR. Discussion topics include Naviance and Zello, CCR classes and pathways, COC concurrent enrollment and dual enrollment, Canyon's Promise, and Ask Canyon Tuesdays.
The deadline for taking senior portraits is this Saturday. Schedule your appointment as soon as possible. Portraits not taken by the deadline will not appear in the 2020 yearbook. Contact O'Connor Photography at the number listed below to schedule an appointment.
Now, let's go to Giselle Estacio with this week's ASB Minute.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Giselle Estacio with this week's ASB Minute. Today is Club Photo Day. Don't forget to get your club forms from your teachers. This Friday, October 25th, is the Pink Out game. Wear pink and come out to support those who have been affected by breast cancer. Pink Out shirts are being sold in the ASB office for $10 until Thursday. Get a shirt before they're gone. That's it for me. Now on to Derek Diaz with your sports news.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Derek Diaz with your sports news. Girls tennis plays against Valencia today. JV plays at Saugus and varsity plays at Valencia. Both games are at 3. They play again against Golden Valley on Thursday. JV plays at Saugus and varsity plays at Golden Valley. Both games are at 3. Football plays at Valencia this week. Frosh plays on Thursday at 4 at Saugus. JV and varsity both play on Friday at COC. JV plays at 4 and varsity plays at 7. Good luck to all Centurion athletes. Boys lacrosse will be holding tryouts for new players on November 12th through November 14th at Central Park from 3 to 4 p.m. No experience is necessary. Contact Coach Steinman or stop by the athletic director's office for more information. That is all for me. Now let's go to Hannah Rudder with another episode of Cooking with Protein.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Hannah Rudder reporting, or should I say cooking for SNN. Today, I will be showing you how to cook a delicious and healthy meal with lots of flavor and protein. Chicken fajitas. So let's get started. You'll be needing salt and pepper, cumin, an onion, limes, bell peppers, boneless, skinless chicken breasts, olive oil, and crushed red pepper flakes. We're going to begin by grabbing our bowl and pouring in half a cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Also add the juice from both of your limes. You're going to want to thoroughly whisk all the ingredients together. Once you've finished, season your chicken with your liking of salt and pepper. Once that's done, place the chicken in the bowl and coat both sides with the marinade. Repeat that process with the remaining chicken breasts and place in the fridge to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now that the chicken is marinating, slice up your vegetables. Cut into thin pieces. I'm only using bell peppers and onions, but feel free to use any more that you like. Once all the vegetables are sliced and the chicken is done marinating, we're going to move on over to the stove. When ready to cook the chicken, heat a large skillet with the remaining oil over medium heat. Cook the chicken for 8 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Add your vegetables to the skillet and cook until soft for about 5 minutes. After letting the chicken rest for 10 minutes, cut it into thin strips. Add the chicken to the skillet and mix thoroughly. Serve with tortillas and enjoy. This has been Hannah Runner cooking for SNN.
Thanks, Hannah. Cooking for yourself and others can be a communal and satisfying activity.
Sacramento State's rowing team is looking for female athletes to join their competitive NCAA Division I program. They recruit about 6 to 8 high school girls from all sports backgrounds and have no rowing experience. They're looking for someone who is 5'9" or taller, strong, cardiovascularly fit, skilled in Adobe Photoshop, and has great work ethic. Scholarships are available. Contact the Saugus Athletic Directors or Rick Singer for more information on how to sign up.
A representative from Seattle Pacific University will be on campus this Thursday during 6th and 7th periods in the NPR. If you'd like to go attend, go to the counseling office to sign up and get a permission slip.
Sixth Car Rental will be awarding 5 $5,000 scholarships. To qualify, you must be a graduating senior, plan to enroll in a full-time undergraduate study at an accredited 2- or 4-year college, and have a minimum GPA of 3.7 on a 4.0 scale. For more information, go to the website listed below. We'll be right back after this.
Jersey Mike's, located just off of Newhall Ranch Road, is your perfect lunch location. From friendly faces to delicious food, Jersey Mike's has it all. The regular student meal deal can be purchased for just $8.95 and includes a regular sub with chips and a drink. Alternatively, the mini sub student deal can be purchased for $6.95 and includes a mini sub with chips and a drink. A student ID is required to purchase the student meal deal and is available from Monday through Friday.
That's all for today. I'm Nathan Miller. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Owen Derry. Don't forget tomorrow is not a student help day, so enjoy sleeping in. Have a great day, and we'll see you on Thursday.